For decades, healthcare has moved sensitive data to software. Alexander SaaES reverses that model. In the next few minutes, you'll watch signed applications arrive beside the customer's data, perform real revenue and clinical intelligence, and disappear when the session ends. The software moves. The data stays. This is Alexander Edge. Edge is installed, but the business applications are not. The customer's database can be selected and tested, and the application session remains empty. When the user connects, Edge contacts the SaaS server. The server identifies the applications authorized for this customer and sends a signed, protected release package. Edge verifies that release before execution. Now let's see some magic. The active session appears. The applications arrive. And within seconds, the authorized intelligence is available beside the customer's data, without moving the data. When Edge closes, the temporary applications are removed. The next time the user connects, Edge retrieves the latest authorized release. No local application maintenance. No stale versions. The software moves. The data stays. The executive summary turns the connected data into a clear operational view of payer performance, denial exposure, provider leakage, and financial opportunity. Next, we select an appeal candidate. Alexander uses the connected claim and record facts to assemble the supporting evidence and generate a complete, deterministic appeal letter, ready for review and action. The intelligent information loader validates incoming data, maps the available fields, and prepares the information for use across the authorized applications. Inside Alexander AI Brain, we connect to a medical record, an echocardiogram in this example. Alexander translates the findings into an easy-to-understand summary, then matches the results to relevant ICD-10, CPT, HCPCS, modifier, and coding descriptions. This supports stronger claim coding and helps reduce preventable denials. From the same workflow, we open BCI. The echocardiogram findings, coding suggestions, descriptions, and modifier considerations are displayed together for review. Those results are also stored inside Alexander AI Brain, keeping the medical interpretation and coding guidance connected. Next, we ask a question in normal English. Show the total denials by payer. No query language and no report building. Alexander reads the connected database and delivers the requested payer results directly. These are the applications delivered for the active Edge session. Now we close Alexander Edge. The temporary active session is removed and the downloaded applications disappear. The customer's data remains. The next time the user connects, Edge retrieves the latest authorized applications, without local application maintenance or stale versions. The software moves. The data stays. Break the cycle of denial leakage and take back control of your revenue. With Alexander BCI and SaaS, the software moves. Your data stays. Provider-owned intelligence. Real results. No more renting the technology that defines your future. Own the intelligence. Protect your mission. Secure the future of care. Contact Alexander today.